In this video, we will show you how to replace your front bumper cover on this 2009 Dodge Dakota. This will be located on the front of your vehicle. Okay friends, it's time to get started on our job. Make sure you have the hood in the upright position and your vehicle is in an area that you can make your way underneath it. Up along the top of the bumper cover, you're going to find that you have 3 T30 torque screws that we're going to have to remove in a couple minutes. Before we get to that, we're going to make our way into each of the wheel wells. On each side of the front bumper cover, you're going to find that you have 2 10mm headed bolts holding it in place. We'll remove the pair on this side and then do the same exact thing on the other side of the vehicle. Once you've done both sides, we're going to continue on along the front of the bumper cover. Just underneath where your license plate bracket should be, you're going to find that you have 2 push clips. These can come in all different shapes and sizes, but typically you just pull down on the center and then remove the outer portion as well. We'll make our way over to the other one. Once we have this out of here, we can make our way back up and under the hood. Back up here, we're moving to those 3 T30 bolts that I had spoken to you about. We'll start removing these. Keep in mind, this is the last thing holding the bumper cover in place to the vehicle. Continue on along each side of the bumper. We're going to grab onto the side here and pull it a little bit away from the vehicle and forward. Grab onto that bumper cover and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friends. All right, it's time to install our front bumper cover. Slide this into place. Once you have your top 3 mounting bolt holes lined up, start in each of those bolts. We don't need to tighten these yet. We'll give this a wiggle and start putting it into place, aligning all of our bolt holes. Once you have these snug, do the same on the other side of the vehicle. Along the top of the bumper cover, we'll continue to those T30 screws. Now we can make our way under for our 2 push clips. Okay friends, we fully installed our front bumper cover. At this point, go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.